Hello and welcome to Moonlight MVP, a YouTube channel dedicated to trying your side project, prototype, or MVP. How does it work? Moonlight is sending me a link to their project and I review and record it like in this video. Each project gets 7 minutes to demonstrate the idea or problem. I will finish by answering what problem you're attempting to solve, who you're solving it for, and what your solution is. I don't know much about the project before I jump in, so you get to see an organic first-time impression. In this episode, we will be reviewing SavvyApp.cc, turn your messy bookmark into a learning calendar. Project number 2 will be myapp.email, whitelist only email addresses. Number 3, LiveWeb.space. It's a tool that helps you go live on your website during your product hunt launch. Number 4 is dataset.io, an open source multi-tool for exploring and publishing data. Very excited about open source in this episode. As I did in the last episode, I'm going to try and find maybe one website from Combinator. I don't know what I'm going to find yet, but I will be posting it here next to me, and then that will be a live search, so I don't know what I'm going to find until I find it, but I do like to check out Y Combinator. It's a place where new cool ideas and startups come from. Many of the companies that we use today come from it. And then lastly, I thought it'd be fun to try a game. I do have a game called Body Shield, and I think it'll be kind of fun to jump into Body Shield. As a reminder, if you want to play that game as well, post your score in the comments. I'm going to post my score, and it'll be kind of fun to give the score and then feedback to the game creator. But that's going to be the projects. Couple of updates really quick. I will learn how to install your guys' GitHub projects onto my local laptop and run them from there. If you have a GitHub project that has a website I can still work from, that's great, but I will be still trying to figure out how to download and install you guys' open source or just GitHub projects. So be patient with me on that one. And then last part of this intro is, so I did figure out something to celebrate 100 subs. And I've essentially decided that to celebrate 100 subs on YouTube, I'm going to be releasing a limited edition mug, a coffee mug that has a mantra that I wrote or created or made up. And the mantra on the mug will be build something worth texting. And I will go into that maybe later on in this episode, but just as far as this intro is concerned, that's going to be celebrating the 100 subs. It's not going to be a money grab. I'm going to make any money that I make from selling that mug, I'm just going to put back into the channel and invest in maybe a microphone, maybe, you know, maybe some better equipment, some lighting equipment. Maybe I could, you know, upgrade the laptop. So it'll be something nice for you guys to collect at this early stage. If you were here watching this right now, you know, I don't have many subscribers, but when I have 10,000, it'll be pretty cool to say that you had one of the first 100 collectibles. And I thought it was a cool mug. So I will get into that later on in this episode, why I chose a mug and then why I chose those words. It is something I made up myself and excited to do that. But aside from that, let's jump into this episode. All right, let's jump into the first project we have here. We have SavvyApp.cc. Got my 7 minutes going. Let's jump into Savvy. What is it? The bookmark manager designed for tech people. I am a tech person, I think, and it's available in the App Store and Google. I wonder if I should be testing it on my phone. That looks like a phone thing. How can I become self-taught? Save anything with one tap. Found a learning resource and want to save it to read later. Save to Savvy with one tap in your phone or with our browser extension. Boom. Thank you. Thank the universe you gave me the browser extension, because I was getting worried because I don't spy on this, and that would have screwed up the review. But let's keep going. Get a reminder on a due date. So, always forget to finish your bookmarks? Yes, I do. Savvy allows you to set a due date for every saved resource and get a reminder on that date. Okay, so there's a picture. Get personalized recommendations. Discover the new resources based on what similar users have also saved. Entirely data-driven. Zero ads or affiliations. Community. And then that stuff. And then that stuff. Okay, but you have a browser extension because you care about me, which is a pretty savvy thing to do. 15 users. Okay, very nice. Under productivity, got 2 5 stars. Can I give you a 5-star yet? It can. Can I give you 5 stars yet? Let me give you 5 stars. No? Okay, whatever. So I've downloaded the extension now, I believe. Now what do I do? Are you available? Are you available? How do I get browser extension? There you are. Okay, so now what do I do? Let's go to another project I'm going to be working on and see what happens. So I don't know if I know how to use it. Let's do that thing. Okay. So boom. Now what? Sign in. Scan the QR code to activate browser extension. Oh, I don't want to do that. Scan the QR code. How do I do this? No. Can I create an account? Sign in. Or if you don't have an account, you can install Savvy on your phone first. No. Within the Savvy browser extension, you can save any directly from your laptop to your app. So I have to use the mobile. I have to use it. I'm so sorry. Give me a second. 4 minutes. Shit. Shit. Give me that QR code again. Fuck. Where is it? There it is. Sign in. I don't have a signing in thing. You just told me what to do. What was that? Alright, that worked. And that didn't work, so let me go to the App Store and just download the app. Can I do that? Download the app. Savvy. Fuck. I'm so stressed. We're losing so much time. Oh, Savvy dating there's like 5 Savvies. That's why you gave me the QR code, because there's like 5 Savvies. Let me see if I can just... Savvy Tech Learning Tracker. Open in App Store. That's what I need. Go away. Savvy App Learning. Savvy App Learning. Still don't come up. Savvy. I'm going to type that exact thing in. Savvy : calendar based bookwork. Boom, there you go. Man, you're under a real dogfight for that Savvy key term. We got it eventually, though. I'm burning through like all 7 minutes doing this. So, oh, double tap just downloaded it. We're downloading, and we have downloaded, and I have exactly 1 minute and 30 seconds to jump in here, which of course designed for learners. Savvy is designed for people who are learning tech-related subjects. Got it. Save and schedule. Got it. Done. Boom. Continue with Google. Boom. Got over a minute left. Boom. All right, let me in. Savvy. Come on. Be savvy about it. All right. Since this is your first time, let's go through some basics first. Sure. Oh, boom. Big plus button. All right. Name. Moonlight. Moonlight. MVP. Author. Danny Marlin. And then to subject. Startup. Boom. Insert URL. What is what could be the URL? I don't know. YouTube.com. Boom. Done. Done. Confirm. Oh, I like the little preview thing. Confirm. Now where did it go? Did I give it a due date? You can go away. Monday. So essentially, on Monday, you're giving me this thing to look at. And then, oh, okay. This is cool. This, I should have, you needed way more than 7 minutes, but this was fun. By the way, it's a really pretty app too. From what I can see, really pretty app. I like the Hello Danny in the top left. I really like the big red button too. You give me one button to push, and I shall push one button. So let me kind of answer the 3 fundamental questions. What are the 3 fundamental questions? What problem are you solving? I would guess you are solving the people save a lot of bookmarks and then they maybe fail to come back to them or they forget about them. The whole point of maybe bookmarking something is saying like, hey, I want to come back to this, but I don't want to deal with it right now. So I'm either going to bookmark it and read it later. And what you're saying is, hey, people forget their bookmarks. Who has that problem? Probably people that do a lot of maybe reading on their cell phone, people that maybe do, people that do, people that are just browsing. To be honest, but I feel like that's too wide of an audience. So I'm going to be more specific. I would say maybe somebody that's actually reading. I would guess maybe somebody that's maybe like on Twitter and they want to bookmark a tweet. Maybe somebody that's on Reddit. And what is your solution? Your solution is Savvy app. Pretty savvy. I must admit, I do like the logo. I do like the word. You're in a real dogfight for Savvy because when I searched that in the App Store, there was like 7 other options and none of them were you. So, but that was cool. I liked it. Good job, SavvyApp.cc. All right, next we have myapp.email. Myapp.email. Let's go ahead and start the timer. And let's jump in. So what is myapp.email? Email address for web apps. A whitelist only mailbox. All unsolicited emails get blocked. Create account. Yes, I do. How does it work? How it works. You register a username .myapp.email at myapp.email address. You use the email address to sign up for other websites, blogs, and forums. You allow who can send you emails. What is it for? Registration at websites, blogs, and forums. Test new web apps. Ooh, that would be me. Anytime you don't want to give your personal or work email address. I have like 20 emails, so this is really speaking to me. What is it not for? What is it not? Medical, financial, personal, professional. Come on. Fake registration forms, spam, comment spam. Seriously, do not use it for spam. Yes, I agree. I will not be spamming using this. Is it disposable email address? Short answer, no. Long answer, no. Myapp.email is not for creating disposable email addresses. Users can only create one account and can only receive emails via username.myapp.email. No dot, dash, underscore, plus, or any special characters allowed. Limitation, receives these emails. Currently cannot send the emails. Username only contains letters, numbers, and 6 characters. Letters, numbers, and 6 characters. Is it free? Yes. There is a free plan. Myapp.email is a freemium service. Paid plan coming soon. You are the customer. You are the customers. We don't read your emails or sell your data. And very cool. Okay. So, in true true, sticking true to just being functional, you gave no fucks about the landing page, which I kind of respect, because it's just like, it's a, it's a project. Just get me to create the account. All right, let's create the account for Moonlight MVP. Password is going to be this, and I agree to the terms. Register. Boom. Save. Welcome to my app email. Okay, now what do I do? Welcome to my app email. Click on this. Hello. This is a test email from hello@myapp.email. The sender, hello@myapp.email, was added to your allowed senders list. So this email is added to your inbox. If you block this sender, this email will be deleted. Next step, check the pending box. Best regards, Ngoyan Anthun. Apologies if I butchered that name. I know I did. Ngoyan. All right, go back. Check the pending box. Here comes unwanted email. This is pretty funny. This is here comes unwanted email. Hello, this is a test email from newsletter@myapp.email. The sender, newsletter@myapp.email, is waiting for your approval. If you block them, this email will be deleted. If you allow them, this email will be moved to inbox. If you do nothing, the sender will be blocked after 30 days and this email will be deleted. Next step, use your email address to register on other websites, apps, blogs, or forums. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want to allow the newsletter because I think I want to hear from you. So I clicked allow. Now I'm going to go back, and you said sign up for another website. So what could I do here to test this? What could I do? So did I get an email now from, ooh, pending, okay, boom, yep, it worked. So now, if I click on verify your email, if I click on, I'm gonna block, I'm actually gonna block this one, okay. Let's see, did it automatically block the next one? Pending, open, block. Boom. Nice. Okay, I think that's cool. So it kind of moves, it goes straight into pending before it goes into inbox, which is good for me because I would get confused about, this is only approved emails in this section, and you've already decided to by default pass them out. So they don't get to go straight into inbox. They have to pass the pending kind of obstacle. Cool. So why don't I answer the 3 fundamental questions? This was a good one. I feel like this has a lot more to go. This definitely is a MVP, but I think it's a really cool one. What is the problem you're solving? The problem you're solving is maybe getting too many emails. You sign up for stuff, you want to try stuff, and you just don't want to get bombarded with emails. So you use this as an email that you want to use, but not be bombarded with stuff. So I actually do have this problem. Actually the next one is who has this problem. I think people like me, people that like to experiment, people that like to sign up for stuff. I have 20 Gmail accounts just for this problem because I create accounts that I kind of use, that I have accounts that I kind of use and protect. I have other accounts that I don't use, that I don't really protect at all, and just allow those inboxes to, die by the spam gods. So, and what is your solution? Myapp.email. My feedback here is this is a really cool kind of start. I really like the pending tab. If I was to point out something that kind of stands out to me, the pending tab. I think maybe if you gave me an easy way to copy and paste this, it would just save me an extra few seconds. I love it when that is an option. But this is a cool project. Look forward to kind of seeing where this one goes. Maybe it would be cool to, if you want to be able to send emails, that's where you have to pay for the account. I don't know. But this was a cool idea. I really enjoyed it. All right, so I wanted to take a quick 2 minutes, and I'll set myself a timer to talk about the mug as a quick intermission. So why did I create a mug? I created a mug to kind of celebrate having 100 subs. It's something small. It's something fun to commemorate. When you start a YouTube channel or when you do anything from scratch, it's about the journey. It's about the milestones. And so I wanted to celebrate having 100 subscribers. That tells me that there's at least 100 people out there that like this idea as a concept, as a channel. And then I wanted to commemorate it with something that you could actually buy at the time so that you can almost go on this journey with me. It'll be, like I said, way cooler when I have thousands of subscribers and you can say, you was one of the first 100 or close to it, and you have kind of a memento. So that's why I did that. Why did I choose a mug? Well, I think a lot of the target audience for this channel is and will probably be people that work on side projects, specifically digital projects. So there'll be a lot of developers that watch this. There'll be a lot of tinkerers that watch this. There'll be a lot of builders that watch this. And so what do those people typically do? They typically drink coffee or some kind of drink on a daily basis that kind of keeps them going, to burn that midnight oil. And it could also be something that maybe you put on your desk, right? Because if you're working in the modern workforce, you likely have a desk. And on that desk, you put things that, normally pictures of maybe your family or pictures that, or mantras that are helpful to you every day. So I thought, well, what kind of mantra would help somebody that is, how long do I have left? 5 seconds. Not how long. What would be useful for somebody that's working on a project, evenings and weekends? And I thought that building something worth texting was a good mantra. Why that mantra specifically? I was inspired by Y Combinator's mantra, build something that people want, or make something that people want. That's kind of Y Combinator's, and I was really kind of inspired by that myself, and that helps keep me kind of focused, make something that people want, which sounds, self-evident, but it's not so obvious, because you end up, some of us, I've done it before, and some of you would make this mistake. You spend years building something and no one really wanted it. I mean, you share it and no one was really excited about it. So I was inspired by make something people want, and I wanted to make my version, build something worth texting. Why something worth texting specifically? I have a theory that, in terms of what do you do when you love something so much that you want to tell your friend or family about it? You have options. You typically, you can tell them verbally if they're in the same room. But what if they're not in the same room? And what if you're at work? Maybe you're, somewhere else that they're not. How would you communicate? Oh my God, I just found this awesome thing. I want to tell you about it. You can either email them, you can call them and say, hey, I found this great thing. But what do most people do? I think that, if it is of that high caliber, if it's something that was really useful and valuable, then you text it to your friend, or you text it to your spouse, or you text it to a member of your family. That's just my personal theory. So I thought that, it's not just build something valuable, it's build something valuable enough that when somebody finds it, they're going to text their friend and say, hey, you have to check this out. So that's the reasoning behind the mug. And like I said, $24.99, probably charging more than I should for the mug. But like I said, I'm going to use that revenue generated to invest back in the channel. So if you decide to buy that mug, just know that I'm probably going to invest in maybe a microphone. And, I'll have to stay true to my word. If I get to, 400 subscribers and I still don't have a microphone, you know, then I'm full of shit. But so you can keep me accountable there. So $24.99, you know, probably should be cheaper, but I could have sold it for $50 and you know, probably still sell them out. I will cap it at 100 mugs. So if you want it, it's going to be limited release. I will cap it at 100 mugs. I will show you the back end to prove that I stopped it at 100. And so there will only be 100 available. And I hope I'm actually going to order one myself. I have to pay that price as well. I don't have this mug, so I'm going to buy one as well. And I hope you do too, just to kind of support the channel. It's my way of thanking you for subscribing, but it's also my way of growing, of having you guys and girls be invested with me. Buy the mug, invest in the channel, and who knows, maybe I can grow the channel and get more people checking out your projects. I'll finish there. Appreciate it. On with the rest of the episode. All right, next we have LiveWeb.space. LiveWeb.space. Let's jump in. All right, what do we have here? LiveWeb. Your website is a wall of text. Humanize your website for a product hunt launch. Get started. And then, but why? It's like standing in front of your new shop pitching, guiding your customers and answering their questions. Pitch. You're no longer limited by text to communicate your ideas. Pitch like how you would to someone you just met in person. Sorry, my reading skills are not up to par today. Gain insights. Nothing gives you more insight about the problem you're solving than speaking with your end users. Okay, got a really cool picture of this gentleman over here. That's kind of jumping out at me. Great CX. Your customers have diverse queries. Make them fall in love with your answering all of their questions live. And great products deserve great launches. Okay, and then a picture of Steve Jobs or a video.
An iPod, a phone, and an internet communicator. An iPod, a phone. Are you getting it?
Yes. Launch like Steve Jobs. Ah, okay. I'm intrigued. I have no idea what that means, but I'm intrigued. Okay, how? Okay. Request your beta invite here. You'll receive an email from me. Copy and paste 2 lines of code to your index.html to install LiveWeb on your website. You'll receive a unique ID. Do that. And then stage 3, log into LiveWeb dashboard, watch the quick demo. Oh, we have another video. Okay, boom.
Hi, welcome to the post dashboard demo. Once you request for a beta invite, you'll receive an email from me which contains the link to this host dashboard and also the information that is needed to log into your account. So this is the basic host dashboard that we have right now. It automatically loads up your cameras and microphones. Right now, we are actually not live. This is the control panel which basically tells you whether you're live or not live.
I am so dumb.
The real-time panel shows the total number of visitors that you have currently and also the total number of unanswered questions. Visitors panels shows brief information about where your visitors are visiting you from. There is the settings panel here. Here you can change the details that are shown to the visitors below your video on your website.
Okay.
In the online settings, you can either enable or disable sound notifications. These are about sound notifications. If these are enabled, it makes a small notification audio. It plays a small audio when something, some of these events happen. So this is for the case where a visitor enters your site, and this is when someone asks a question. You can either show or disable reactions from this option here. In the offline settings, you can again enable or disable a pre-recorded video. If you want to set a pre-recorded video that's currently not available right now on the dashboard, you just have to get in touch with me. Just reply on top of the email that you receive for the beta invite. You can also show a small CTA when the video is playing. The pre-recorded video is playing.
I want to know if it's like a live video
playing below the video. Save the settings, and you'll be back here. To go live, you just have to click on Start Live, and you should be live on your side, and you'll be shown that you're live here. The sound that you heard just now is from another tab which I had opened opening the same website. So currently there is one visitor on the site, and we can see that that visitor is from India. It's just me opening up another tab on my laptop.
Okay.
And when I go to the tab,
Still
I see myself as a video there. To see how you're looking to all of your visitors, you can click here, and a small video will be shown.
So do they see you? Do they actually see your face?
Let me quickly ask a question so that we get to know how the questions are shown.
So my major question is, do they actually see your face? Let me pause here for a second. Let me click on this, because I guess this would be a better. Boom. Nope, that's your Twitter account. Oops. So what I want to know is, maybe I missed it, or I just like forgot you told me this, but so I want to know, is it, I mean, it's called LiveWeb, so I would imagine it is, yes, you get to be live. He may have answered that question in this video, but I'm not sure. Let's go back.
So I asked myself another question, and we see that there is a question listed under Conversations tab. Currently, since I entered my name and email in the form, I am able to see it here. If these things are not optional for the visitors to enter. So currently, if someone doesn't enter anything, you might not see any of these details.
Got it.
Let's say you want to respond to this question, you can click on respond, and basically the widget will show a small text below the video saying that you are responding to this particular question. Once you're done responding to the question, you can just click on done, and
I have a feeling this is genius. I want to know if it's live though. Tell me if it's live.
That's mostly about it. Thank you so much for watching this. If you want to supercharge your product and launch, please get in touch. And there is a request your beta invite button.
It probably is live, and I'm just stupid. Otherwise, what would be the point of having the video, right? What would be the point? I do want to join this. So if you want to join this as well, you think this is a cool, LiveWeb.space, click on beta invites. Auto save your work, go away. LiveWeb is a tool that allows makers to be available live on their website during their product hunt launch. Learn more here, demo here. I think I just watched this demo, but I'm not sure. Is that the same demo? Nope. Oh, okay. There we go. There's my answer. I think that is how it would look if you owned the website. Maybe you could use that for like a salesperson. So like for inbound sales and stuff like that. Are we running out of time? Yes, we are. Look at that. We are out of time. But I just answered my question. That could be awesome for a sales rep. It doesn't have to be just customer service. That could also be for a sales rep. Okay, I'm gonna join this. You should too. If you're watching this, you should definitely sign up for the beta, and then I don't know, put in there. They don't even ask you how you got referred to, but it'd be cool to say you found it with Moonlight MVP. But cool, yeah, this is cool, man. This is cool. Let's ask the same 3 questions. Question number 1: what problem are you solving? I guess you're solving the problem of very limited communications between the user and maybe the website owner or creator. If you're launching it on Product Hunt, it might be the owner that's on the video. But if you are maybe a customer service rep, I know that I use platforms and I need customer services help, probably once a month. And it would be nice to have kind of, instead of just a very limited text-based conversation, it would be nice to maybe actually engage with the person. So who has that problem? I just said maybe people that, well, who has the problem? The consumer with the issue has the problem of limited communication. But you could also argue that on the website owner side, you have the problem of not being able to best represent yourself. If you are a customer service rep, you have a problem of not being able to really communicate visually. What is your solution? Your solution is LiveWeb.space. I really think this is a cool project. I really do. I think this is different. You know, I'd never considered this type of communications before on a website, and I don't know why we wouldn't have. I guess I don't know what I don't know, but this is truly something I think unique. Whether it's successful or not, I don't know. The market will tell you that, but I think this is a really, really interesting project, and I really want to know. I'm left with way more questions, but I'm excited about it. So great job, LiveWeb, and look forward to kind of tracking its progress. And like I said, if you are watching this channel, sign up for that beta, and you know, help the makers. I believe that this is the maker Shravan. You know, help Shravan out, and great stuff. All right, boom, boom, boom. Another one bites the dust. Bada boom, boom, boom. All right, next we have an open source project called Dataset. Let's go ahead and start the timer. Dataset, and it is by a user called Simon W. And they have sent me their GitHub repository here. And, you know, as to be clear and transparent, I'm not a developer, so I'm not able to take this as far as maybe you'd like it to. But you did provide, I noticed, a website, dataset.io. So I'm going to open that up here and kind of just go through, and then maybe later on, as I learn how to actually download these and install these on my laptop and run them, I can go ahead and do that. But let's jump into Dataset. It is an open source multi-tool for exploring and publishing data. I thought that sounded very interesting. I really kind of like the way that you've also manipulated the spelling there of dataset. That's pretty cool. All right, so Dataset is a tool for exploring and publishing data. It helps people take data of any shape or size, analyze and explore it, and publish it as an interactive website and accompanying API. Ooh, okay. So Dataset is aimed at data journalists, museum curators, archivists, local governments, scientists, researchers, and anyone else who has data that they wish to share with the world. It is part of a wider ecosystem of tools and plugins dedicating to making working with structured data as productive as possible. So try a demo and explore 33,000 power plants around the world. Ooh, love this. Even if I can't download it, if you can provide demos, that's awesome. I'll come back to that in just a second. Then follow the tutorial or take a look at some other examples of Dataset in action. Then read how to get started with Dataset. Subscribe to the monthly-ish newsletter. Monthly-ish, that's funny. And consider signing up for office hours for an in-person conversation about the project. All right, so let's go ahead and watch this video. Let's give this video maybe a minute or two. Let me turn this up.
Hi, I'm Simon Willison, and I'm going to be introducing you to an open source project I've been working on for the past 3 years called Dataset. So Dataset is an open source multi-tool for exploring and publishing data. But I feel like the best way to explain what that means is to show you a demo. This is my dog. This is Cleo.
Nice.
And Cleo is a proud San Francisco dog.
Cute.
So the question I want to answer is, what is Cleo's favorite coffee shop? So the way I'm going to do that is using Dataset. I'm running Dataset here against a database of my swarm check-ins. I use Foursquare Swarm, and I check into different places. And you know, this is relatively unexciting. This is a database table.
Very attractive.
But every time I check in with Cleo, I use the wolf emoji as part of my check-in message.
Okay.
This is an alternative view onto that table, which joins it against venues to pull in things like the latitude and longitude, and then demonstrates a Dataset plugin called Dataset Cluster Map, which shows me those points on a map.
Already lost,
now,
but keep going.
Since I know that check-ins with Cleo have the wolf emoji, I can filter this and say I want everything where the shout contains that wolf emoji. And this filters down all of my check-ins to just the 359 check-ins that I made with Clio. So this is Clio's own check-in database. And I get a map of all of the places
Clio
she likes.
is well-traveled.
But Dataset supports faceting. So if I'm interested in what categories of places she goes to, I can choose to facet by venue category. Now I can see that, unsurprisingly, she likes parks and dog runs, but she has been to 25 coffee shops. I'm going to click on coffee shop to filter down to those 25 check-ins. And then I'm going to facet by venue name to see which are the most common venue coffee shop names that she checks into. You can see that she's mainly a Blue Bottle girl. She's been to Blue Bottle 16 times, but she does occasionally go to Starbucks. An important thing about Dataset is that everything that you can see in the interface, you can get out as raw data. If I click the JSON link here, this is a JSON feed of all of Clio's coffee shop check-ins. I can click CSV if I want to pull that data out and import it into something like Excel. So, super useful software for categorizing your dog's different coffee shop visits. So let's go for a slightly more serious demo. The New York Times publish on a daily basis. They publish the latest COVID-19 numbers for different US states and counties. And so I run a dataset instance publicly available, which takes this data and loads it into Dataset for analysis.
2 minutes left.
So here is that New York Times CSV file that they're publishing of different counties. But in this case, I've got some pre-configured facets. I'm going to drill down to just the numbers they've reported for California. Where's California? Here we go. And within California, I'm going to drill down into San Francisco County, where I live. So now I have 351 rows for COVID case numbers in California. I have another plugin here called Dataset Vega, which lets me plot those on a line chart.
I hope you guys understand what's happening here, because I have no idea. Looks very cool, very impressive.
Against those numbers of cases, and we can see a very, very unhealthy looking curve going up through the last few months. But then, since this is a database filter interface, I can say, actually, give me Los Angeles County, and I can see their graph, which is even more intimidating.
All right.
This is all built on top of relational database tables, which means you can do useful things like joins. So here's a table I pulled in of the...
All right, I'm going to pause it there because we have a minute left. I'm very impressed. I want to try the demo. That's right. The most fun part. I got distracted. I'm sorry. Let's try the demo. So this is a demo of, you said 33,000 power plants. Okay, so I want to go to United States. Oh, I guess you can filter by owner. You can filter by country. You can filter by primary. Ooh. I want to know where the nuclear plants are. Okay. United States has 61. France, 19. Let's go to United States. United States of America and nuclear, and what are my options? Column and I forgot what my options are. Contains. Run out of time. Dang it. That was cool. I was just getting excited about that. Let's see if I'm in St. Louis, so let's see if Missouri comes up. Maybe? I don't know if that was successful or not. Why don't I type Amarin? Nope. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's do this. Oh. Nope. Okay, cool. But this is so I guess this is the results. Oh, this works. Up. Sorry, the map. Me and the map are in a fight right now. Give me just one moment. We're duking it out. All right, where am I at? I'm in Missouri, and I'm in St. Louis, and we have one close to me. I'm right here, for those of you that care to know. And this is, I bet you this is Maybe University of Missouri. Maybe not. Maybe not. So how do I let me row ID. Let's copy that. Let's search. That's where it is. Callaway. It's in Callaway County. Let's click on this. Global power plant, data license, data source, World Institute, Does it have any more information? URL, U.S. Energy Information Union Electric. That sounds about right. Very cool. Okay. So I'm going to pause here. I wanted to include some open source projects. I think this is a really cool one. And it was said to me, great job, great job, great job, great job, great job to...
Hi, I'm Simon Willison.
Great job to Simon. Good stuff. Would love to kind of follow this and see where it goes. Are there, you know, I'm not really into data, but what... let's go ahead and ask the same questions. What problem are you solving? I guess the problem you're solving is being able to explore and publish large amounts of data, I guess is the problem. I'm really stretching here because I don't understand what it is. Who has that problem? You mentioned here data journalists maybe have this problem. Museum curators, archivists, local governments, scientists. I would definitely think data journalists and scientists and researchers. And then what is your solution? It's open source dataset.io. Here is the GitHub repository. So in summary, if you wanted to check out this open source project and contribute to it, it's /SimonW/dataset. It looks like he has 328 issues that you can review. It looks like it has 402 forks, and it looks like it has been starred almost 6,000 times and 96 watchers. So great stuff, and look forward to kind of keeping track of this open source project. All right, next up, I'm going to try a game that I was submitted called Body Shield. I'm not good with games, but let's have some fun. Let's go ahead and jump into this game. What do we have here? Okay, A and D, move. Let me refresh this page first. Always got to refresh. Always got to refresh. All right, boom. All right, so what do we have here? We have like a little red circle thing. Just kind of bobbing along. A and D. Move with A and D. Okay. And then space to jump. And that is the grossest sounding jump I've ever heard. All right. This is a really short game, but I hope you can enjoy it. You need to use your dead body to protect yourself against obstacles. Did you say dead body? I have some problems with itch.io compressing the quality of the game visuals. It's my second finished project. I'm still learning game dev. I would appreciate any feedback on the game. Feel free to leave a comment. Follow me if you want to see my future projects. Let's go ahead and let's play the game. All right, so what do I do? Is there like a score thing? Body show, is there a score thing? Okay. Okay. Oh. I'm not going to make that. Damn it, died. Okay, oh, I've got a little boxy thing now. Oh, that's what you mean by dead body. Okay. Hey. That makes a lot of sense. Now what? Okay. So. Oh, okay. Restart checkpoint. I don't want to restart. Oh, shit. Okay. Now how do I... Let's be strategic about this. I'm not going to make that, so I have to make like a... That didn't work. Oh, that kind of worked. Hey! Nope. Come on, Danny, do a good job here. Okay, so what do I want to do? Do I need to build like some kind of bridge? No, it's not going to work. I have to build a bridge, I think. Yeah. I think so. I don't know. Yep. Oh, but what? I could go straight across though. Like there, yeah. Can I make it to that one though? Nope. No, I can't. I'm just not patient enough for these games, you know? Okay, now what? I guess I got to go this way because I can't figure out how I would die and build a... I can't like build a... I can't build a thing, you know? So I'm going to have to just, yeah, do that. Build like a dead body bridge. Like a dead body bridge like that. Oh, that was a waste of a dead body. That was a waste of a dead body. Yep. A lot of dead bodies in this game. Kind of morbid, but I wonder if there's a better way to do this that I just didn't think about. Yep. Hey. Getting fast now, look. Oh, shit. Huh? Yep. There we go. Hey. Wasn't supposed to do that. Yep. Made it. Boom. Whoa. Okay. I'm going to have to die on you. So you have to die on the things to really make it work, you know? You have to really dive on the things. Well, that's kind of scary. Yep. Oh. Whoop. Shit. Does that protect me? I wonder if that protects me. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Now, but how am I going to do this, though? Oh, shit. So I guess I get to respawn there. That's kind of... So once you make it to the checkpoint... now what the fuck am I going to do? But how do I get up? How do I get up? Fuck. No, I'm fucked. I'm stuck. No. Hello. I'm recording right now, and I'm playing a game. I'm stuck. I don't know how to get out. I can't even die. I can't even die to get out of this situation. If I keep tapping, I get stuck on the wall like that. Alright, well I got stuck. Fun game though. Fun game. Alright, well I'm stuck, so I'm going to go ahead and pause there. This was a fun game. Would like to kind of see what other people that are watching this channel, what score you get, how far you get. I can't tell if this is like a glitch that I can't die, or maybe I just don't know how to solve this puzzle. But this was a fun game. I really enjoyed it. Great job. Let's go ahead and follow the creator of the game. I don't know how. More information. Published. Let's go ahead. It's Faris05. Faris05. And there's the timer. I'm going to go ahead and follow Faris. Great job. Boom. All right. I got one project left to go. My energy is just not in this video. Like, it's high enough to where it will pass, but like, all right, next I wanted to check out a Y Combinator startup that was in the most recent batch, and I thought this episode I would change some filters and this time search for women founded in the year 2022, and also B2B SaaS and services, and I also believe I chose in the United States. And so I did find a company called Mintlify, which is automating code documentation. Now, I'm not a developer, but this seemed interesting to me, and I thought it would be appropriate for a lot of the people that are following this tutorial, this video. So let's jump into Mintlify. Again, I'm on the Y Combinator website. So Mintlify helps you document code 10 times faster using AI. Feel free to ignore us if you actually like writing documentation. I think that is a joke. I'm not entirely sure. Co-founder Hanbi Lee, co-founder Han Wang, and there they both are. And let's go ahead and check out Mintlify. I have it open already. So let's go ahead and go back up to the main website, and we have let's go ahead and do a timer of 5 minutes. I don't know if they're going to give me something I can demo, but let's kind of just move around and see what happens. So handwriting documentation. Save time and improve your code base by letting Mintlify generate documentation for you. Watch Hanbi document code. Okay, so I'm going to press play here, see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. And that looks like the video is playing, but it says press play. Is it playing? Is it playing? I think it's playing? No.
Hi, my name is Hambi, and today I will be showing you how you can use the Mintlify AI doc writer to improve and maintain the quality of your code base. Okay. So here I have this function written in JavaScript, and I can simply highlight it and click the Generate Docs button to instantly create documentation. Ooh. Now, I can also create documentation for functions that I didn't write. So I have this restore string function in TypeScript.
Okay.
And now I have more context as to what it's doing. Specifically for TypeScript, I can also document the types.
Okay.
Currently we support JavaScript, TypeScript, and also Python. So here we have the substitute leftmost generator function. Nice. And now I instantly have documentation for it. You can download the extension directly from VS Code, or if you're a team who wants custom features, you can email us at hi@mintlify.com. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for making. I don't know what that just did, but it looked cool to me. What does this say? Get Loom to become faster than typing. I think that's an ad. An ad? Go away. I didn't consent to you. So that was cool. I don't know if I fully understand what's happening here. Maybe if you're a developer, in the comments, let me know. Increase team productivity. Write professional documentation in less than 1 second. Ship fast. Accomplish tasks 10 times faster by skipping the dreadful step of documenting your code. Maintain code quality. Make it easier for people to work with your code base by improving its readability. Okay. Simple and powerful. Instantly generate accurate documentation by the tap of a button within your favorite IDE. And then I think these are testimonials. I must say, I'm having my mind blown by the extension. Amazing job. Just showed it to my boss, and we spent 20 minutes going through our old colleagues who never ever wrote a single comment code. I stumbled onto AI doc writer for JavaScript and TypeScript. Okay, so these are cool. Integrate directly with your workflow. Start documenting code in style. It looks like you have a GitHub here and a Twitter. #1 on Product Hunt. built with love by the makers of FigStack. So if you have any interest in using this as a product, go to mintify.com, give them a try. Let's go ahead and find their GitHub. This is their GitHub. And it looks, what do we have here? What do we have? I don't think we need anything in their GitHub. This was cool. I liked from the video that I see. I thought it was pretty cool. I guess you can add to VS Code, integrations. What is Playground? What is Playground? Okay, type or paste code here. I don't have any code to paste. Do I have any code to paste? I don't. But if you're watching this and want to play around with this would be great to, maybe you could record the video screenshot and put it in the comments. I guess this is the demo itself. Type or paste code here. I am code. I don't think that's how this works, but we'll see. Oh, get example. Okay. Now what do I do? Write docs. Given a character, return the 13th character after it is in this alphabet. Oh, okay. And then I don't really know what I'm looking at here, but I guess it's got a couple of different languages. Format, commented. Cool. Great job, Mint. I think this is a great job, Mintify. I think this is a cool project. Would love to kind of see where it goes from here. Again, shout out to Han B. Lee and Han Wang. Great job with this project, and thumbs up.